It's good. Yo, it's good, guys. I want to just see how the organic reach is. I'll try not to promote this for now. And just see how this goes. We do seem to have some organic reach as well, and that's good. That's good. I like it. Hey, Neelish. How you doing, mate? What does our setup look like? Yeah. We do seem to have some good trades in gold. Yes. Let's just see if we find any good trades. Hey, Raul, how you doing? Okay, Bitcoin did give us a buy signal a few minutes ago, but no trade as of now. Ethereum, no. Capture a good trade. Just give me a bit. No trade here as well. Okay, once this low breaks, we'll be taking a trade on Bitcoin. We'll only be doing quick scalps. This is the trade. It's a huge stop loss. But if there's any candle that closes above, we can exit as well. But the low needs to break, and the first target for us, we take 50% quantity at this price, and then we'll start trailing. Okay, let's see. That's going to be a trade. This is the 50%, and then we'll just keep trailing. We'll bring our stop loss to cost. Hey guys, we'll fat cut the interest rate. I don't know if they will or not. They should. They definitely should cut it. But right now, the scenario that we are in, I don't think Fed has any choice. It hasn't broken the low yet. It's going completely opposite. No trade. It went completely opposite without breaking it. Oh, that's a nice reversal, man. Okay, BNB. Okay, if it breaks the high, we enter. Yes, that's a buy side trade. This is our stop loss. Let it go. The first target is 1:1. And then we trail. Yes, you can short it around 57,000, but right now we are on the buy side trade. Let's see if this works. Our stop loss is around $300. And remember, guys, this is on the 1 minute chart. So yes, the market is quite volatile. Be very careful for the position sizing. There's no TWSC here, bro. Okay. Let us run. And as soon as some trade happens, I'll let you guys know. We are already in this trade. We are holding on to this one. This low break is going to be the exit. To break the low. Let's see. If it breaks or continues to rally forward. Are you trading Bitcoin futures? Yes, Bitcoin and gold. And we are doing scalps on the 1 minute. Morning, bro. No, we're gonna trail the stop loss. Yeah, exit this trade. It's gone. Okay. Now there's a shorting opportunity over here. These are all scalps, guys. But it's a huge stop loss. That's up to you. The first target is going to be around $350. Remember, guys, it's a massive volatile market, so be very careful with your trades. Keep your position sizing small, and even if you take like 5-6 scalps, just one profit is going to give us really, really good returns. So just before I came live, I captured this trade. So this was pretty much a $600 trade that we captured just before the live. to trade crypto in India, you can use this one. So as you can see, I have some indicators on my chart. This is a new setup that I'm trying. Let's see how well this works out. I usually don't put indicators, but there's something I'm trying with scalps to see how this works. So far, it's performing decent, but then the stop losses can be painful, man. Stop losses can be really painful with this setup. So this is not a very accurate strategy, but then this has a really, really good return ratio. If it works, you capture the entire bloody trend. It gives you a really good return. What's the capital deployed? It depends, man. It depends on whatever leverage you want to use. You can take the trade with a $100 capital as well. Can you take with the $100? Yeah. Not 100, maybe $250. You can take that trade with $250. I'm just scalping on this one. This morning I took some trades on gold, some Bitcoin, some JPY trades. Doing really well. So I want to cater the stream more towards the global audience, guys. Which is why I'm okay to take a higher risk trade. Good capital to start trading, you can start with about $1,000. That should give you a decent return without risking too much. Okay, so this is taking the second stop loss as well. Oh my god, this is wild. So I've noticed one thing with this. Even if it gives you like 3 to 4 stop losses, but end of the day, the return percentage is really good. Oh my god, I made a silly mistake here. Shit. So this is where we should have exited. This right here. I held it way too long, and this would be a re-entry for buy. Yeah, so this is a new setup I'm trying. This would be a new entry, and again, this would be a target. I'm so sorry, guys. It's okay. I'll help you capture another trade with this one. So this is an exit. Ah. Yes, market's volatile, but we should have captured this trade. Oh my god, we should have captured this trade. This would have been such a good trade. We would have captured this entire thing. This is the exact same setup that formed here. Ah. You see, this is the back-end homework that you're supposed to do when you want to make some money in the market. There's a lot of homework that goes in, man. And this is that homework. Like right now, you see I'm trading on the 1 minute. I never trade 1 minute, usually. But this is the practice. Let's see. So okay, we're gonna get some more trades. Hey yo, bro, what's up? Yeah, I think we might get a trade on gold. Let's wait and watch. You're missing this. Oh. Okay, let this close negative, and then we can look for a sell side opportunity. I'm so frustrated we missed this BTC trade. So it would have been such a good one. It's alright. It's alright. Relax. Ooh, every single trade gone nice. The next near resistance for Ethereum. Excuse me. It's 2539. 2527 to 2539 is the next resistance for Ethereum. You, my friend. Okay. On the break of the high, we can look to buy. Okay, so this is going to be a stop loss. Okay, that's going to be, this is the stop loss. Gold, the trade looks something like this. We have a trade, can say, let's see. One. What's Bitcoin doing? Yeah, Bitcoin's doing very well. It's okay. This is a less accurate but big profit kind of trade. In the sense, this setup that I'm trying is not very accurate, but it gives you good moves when it does. Okay, goods. Good. Finally, we are getting some move. This is where we book 50% of our quantity and trail our stop loss to cost if it goes there, and then just keep trading the trade. If it goes there, come on. But if this is the stop loss, which it ideally should be, then this would be right, yeah. This is the stop loss below these levels, not this low. I'm still trying to perfect the strategy, guys. Don't be too mad. But the time we master this, we're gonna make some really good moves. You're gonna capture a lot of trades with this one. Any trade on gold? Yes. Can't you see it on the screen? It's right here, man. We have already taken a long position in gold with a stop loss of 2405.642 and a target of 2409.527. That's the first target. Then we trail our stop loss to cost and then just keep trailing the trade. So this is where you book 50%. Come on, give me 50%, bro. I need a higher positive closing for this. Come on, go up, go up, go up, go up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, not bad. Come on. That's true. That's true. Whoa, shit. What is this? Is this going to give us a nice trailing stop loss? Come on, come on. Please reverse. Oh my god. That's a huge candle. If this closes below my level, we exit this trade. Take a smaller stop loss and exit this. Gone. So yes, this is the mistake I made in Bitcoin. I did not exit here. I was supposed to exit here. So this trade is gone. Again, now this is how the stop loss becomes smaller instead of us giving a big stop loss. This is how we can afford multiple trades with the scalp. Instead of taking massive $300 stop loss, $300 is the maximum stop loss, but there are quicker stop losses that you can take. Finally, yes, now it makes much more sense, right? We took a small stop loss, but even then we were supposed to take a bigger profit. But don't worry about it. We will be capturing some profits, guys, and some really good profits today. The concept is under development. I will reveal it to you once I master it. As of now, it's a strategy that's ongoing. And since it's ongoing, we still may get some stop losses, but it's still profitable overall, that's for sure. The only thing is we can get some stop losses. But the profit. I'm trading Forex and from past few months now I'm making profit and losses both and always end in break even in insight. Well, try to make sure that you're losing less than you're making that day. It's as simple as that. Just hoping this closes negative, and then maybe we can take an extra. Bitcoin did go down. I'm gonna enter in this Bitcoin trade. My stop loss is huge. Dude, Bitcoin's literally giving $700 move in a 5-minute candle. It's it's unbelievable. It's huge. It's a lot. How would you do risk management with this? And this was a short entry here, right? But then where will you place your stop loss? Stop losses are too big. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. What does the 1 minute look like? So basically, just if you look at Bitcoin, just for such a small move, the market's moved so much. There's some slowness, and this is why I prefer trading on the 1 minute, because 15 minutes can be really slow. Let's do one thing. If this closes positive and the high breaks, we can take an entry. But until then, we just have to. Right now, market is in a slow zone. Whose break is going to give us a really, really good trade. Let's just draw a couple of trend lines. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. I am going for a positional short over here. Okay, I'm taking a positional short in gold. So I'm gonna take my MetaTrader, take a nice positional short at the market rate, and I'll stop it at 2415.1, and I'll take my profits at 2350. I have taken a trade in gold. Now I have shorted the current market price, but this is a swing trade based on the trend line itself. So my trade looks like this. I've taken a bigger stop loss because I mean I'm targeting a bigger board as well. Yes, but that's the long-term perspective. You need some patience to hold this trade. This is a good trade that you can capture, guys. What's weaker? TRB is weaker. Shiba is positive for some reason. Look at Shiba. Why is this Shiba Inu positive, man? With this setup, we could have captured the bottom as well. It's just that you have to take some multiple entries. That's it. If you're okay with multiple entries, you're gonna capture. Okay, gold looks good. But this crash is painful for our portfolios, man. I will check your messages later, bro. I don't have the time at the moment, but I will check it out. it's so slow. You know, with such days, you blink and then boom, it's gone. I don't think they're gonna cut rates at the moment. They're gonna take some time to cut rates. The Fed rates won't be cut at the moment. Come on! Make us some money, please. Thank you, Ankit. Well, I want to cater this channel to an international audience, which is why I'm not going to promote it to the Indian audience. I'm going to keep this more international centric. And I believe that's the reason why we do not have too many people on this channel at the moment. But this looks to be a very good trade. Like, if you want to look at Nvidia right now, look at this. This looks like a bloody meme stock. What the hell is this? Is it supposed to be a meme? What is this? Is this how the world's biggest stock is supposed to look like? This fall, this is about 700 billion. Then this fall, this is about 800 billion. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Markets are crazy, man. And it's so funny. If you guys go and check out my Instagram, there are people commenting, "Oh, how do you know what the rich people are saying, man?" I mean, come on, just look at what's happening in the world. Just look at it. You don't have to be a genius to know that. You just need to follow the money. That's all that I tell. Always. Just follow the bloody money. That's all you need. Oh yeah, this is a very good area for a short position. We are going to see a fill up until 297 for sure. I read the comments of people. it's just, I just say it's okay, man. You can live in your ignorance and enjoy that. They have literally no clue about how money works. No. They will react late, not take risks, and expect to be rich. You can't fucking get rich if you don't take risks. It's as simple as that. And risks mean you might lose. But that's the whole point. No risk, no reward. People are gonna try to capture Bitcoin when it's at 80,000 and say, "Oh, I'm so late." Of course you're late. They're gonna buy meme coins when they're already 50x up. Of course you're late, man. You have to take the risk. Dude, one of my meme coin is 80% down. I'm still holding because that's money I can just throw away. It doesn't matter. But then if it makes money, I'm making real good money with it. Dude, if my portfolio works, I'm making more than a few million on that. But if I lose peanuts. But you gotta risk that. If you don't risk it, how will you make it? So yes, when you risk, you gotta see. The one advice that you get is only risk as much as you're willing to lose, which is true. That's good risk management. But if you want to make life-changing money, you have to risk a lot. You have to risk a hell lot more than what you can afford to lose. You have to take bigger risks. I'll give you a simple example. Take Elon Musk. Elon Musk risked 80 to 90 million on Starlink. He was sleeping in basements. Elon Musk risk on Starlink. I'll show you. It's true. Risks 80 million something. Yeah, what? Yeah, no, this is not it. How much did Elon risk? What happened to those articles? And slept, didn't have money for rent. Okay, so I don't know, this is 4 hours before. Yeah, 4 hours. Mostly haters. I'm gonna get back to you. Let's just look at our trade, which is already running at a profit. Congratulations. I'll come back with this data to you. Oh, not Starlink. It was space. What is Elon's space company? SpaceX. Yeah. He risked 100 million of his own money. Yeah, I can find it on. Check this out. So, he decided to start a company that could build affordable rockets. With 100 million of his own money, Musk founded SpaceX in May 2002 and became the company's CEO and chief engineer. So yes, he risked his own money and pretty much he had nothing left after that. So, it was a huge risk. If it lost, he'll be bankrupt. But that's the risk you should be willing to take if you want to make big money. Else you're not gonna make big money. You're gonna make small money. You're gonna live with small capital for the rest of your life. If that's your goal, good. But if not, here's the reality: you're gonna take big risks. Like, you guys follow Andrew Tate. So Andrew Tate ran a pornography company. I don't know if you know that. So Tate was a pimp. He ran a cam girls company. That's how Tate made his money. You gotta make some crazy money, dude. Dude, there are YouTubers that I personally know. They lied their shit out of. They crazy. Look at Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast faked those videos. He's a multi-millionaire. You gotta break some rules, man. You gotta stop Being so stuck in your head, so stuck in your own morals, that you're unable to make good decisions. And this is as real as advice as it can get. No one can tell this to you on YouTube. I can't tell this on my other channel. I'm gonna get insta-banned. But this is the reality. You have to be willing to take crazy risks. You have to be willing to do things that are not acceptable. I'll give you a simple example. Let me give you something else. So, how do you think there are people who own real estate? How do you think that's that? So the people who own real estate today are the ones who were once violent criminals. Even today, people own guns. The government knows that. What can you do about it? Nothing. There's absolutely nothing you can do about the world, especially the people who decide to take law into their own hands. The government can't do shit. But what do they teach you? What do they teach you in school? To make sure you're following all the rules, to make sure you're asking permission before taking a leak. That's not how you're supposed to live. You're supposed to break rules, man. Nobody owns the world. Nobody does. What's with the borders? It's all designed to keep you poor. And it's okay. I believe the dumb guys need to remain poor. They must remain poor, because if dumb people get money, they go crazy with it. They destroy the world. So this is where it says in all the religious books, the world doesn't go to shit when there's a lot of crime happening. The world goes to shit when the good people just sit down and watch. So take a simple example. There's this movie called take Batman, for example. He's a vigilante, right? But why is he good? And why is Bane bad? Because both of them had similar actions. Batman also knocked some cops down. Bane also knocked some cops down. Why is Batman seen as the good guy? It's very simple. He stood up for the right thing. His actions were wrong. He still hit people. He still hit the police. Yet, we consider him to be a winner. Take a similar example. Why is Bill Gates so rich? He practically plummeted his opponents to the ground. Why is Apple considered such a great company? Apple has practically stolen its ideas from other companies. The very idea of fonts. You have many fonts, right? You have Open Sans, you have Poppins, you have Montserrat. All these fonts are stolen from Xerox. Dude, the world is run by people who have the balls to take a stand. You can either be one of those who keeps complaining in the comments, or you can wake up and do what's necessary. I'll tell you just one thing. If you want to win at life, you don't have to do what you think is right. You have to do what's necessary. That's it. You just have to do what's necessary. You have to do what's needed, not what you think is right. Yes, Xness in the description, because this is catered to international audience, not for Indian audience. I hope the language and the accent explains that. The stream is not meant for Indian audience, it's meant for an international audience. And yes, boom, we have started to mint some good money in gold trade. No, don't transfer crypto from BingX to XNES. XNES still remains illegal for Indians. Unfortunately. Gold's looking decent. It's giving us a nice profit. Target of this trade is around 2356, the final target. We'll take our first target at around 2390. It's a swing trade. You can carry this forward. US streaming for international, but all the audience are Indians. Currently. Present is not permanent, my friend. That's the thing about time. It changes. In intraday, the risk is 2% per day. What should be the risk for swing trading? You can take a 8% risk per trade for swings. Well, if you're looking at crypto... Well, okay, there is a scalp available. we're quite late for that. We are about $129 too late for a scalp. Any other trade? As no. What's up, Sayanur, my friend? How's it going? Is he good? Hey Raghav, how you doing, my friend? Oh my god, this gold is going up again, but it's okay, we gotta wait. The market has entered a slow boring territory. Boring market, better not trade. Yeah, quite boring. Quite slow, but every single candle, if you see, is a single 5-minute candle on Bitcoin is $400. I think that's a lot. I really think that's a lot. So even though it's boring, it's a lot. Common mode is off zone. What's up, Sayed, my man? How you doing? Just this one candle, it's $300. Oh god, it's good, it's good, it's good. I believe it's better. Hey, Sayed, congratulations, my friend. It's better we just close it for now because I don't see any good trade happening. Maybe Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum can give us a good buy. I'm gonna give this setup a last try. So Ethereum is a good buy as of now. This is my trade, what it looks like. I'll help you trail this live. So if you're taking this trade, stick with me. It can be a decent trade. Okay. And this is my trailing target. 2500 exactly. And my stop loss is just below this. Just something like this. Okay. So I am in this trade. And if there's a negative closing below 2441, I'm exiting as well. That will shorten our stop loss. But as of now, this is the current trade that I'm in. We can wait for this. Watch it out. Okay, this looks good. This looks like it's gonna make us some money. What a slow market. Oh my god. Sir is not AFK, man. Sir is just waiting for something to happen. There's nothing happening here. I'll just close the stream and no, I'll just wait for this trade to do something. We are already profitable on gold. You might have to exit this trade if it closes below the level. No re-entry on this. We hold this trade. No changes to this current trade. We can hold on. We can maintain this. Yeah, that's $200. Okay, come on. Push, push, push. Looks good. No, you cannot trade with 5k. It's too less. $5k is too less. No, $200, man. You need $200 minimum. That's still like so low, but at least you make something significant with that. New setups causing some pain for us, eh? Our default price action is working best. New setup's not working so well. But it is what it is. Gotta live with it. Oh my god, why is this so slow today? What is happening la? It is so slow. So when I went to Thailand, this is how they were talking. Sawadika. What do you want, sir? Do you want I? Where you go? I'm not trying to be racist, but it was really cool. I loved their hospitality. It was one of the best experiences that I had in my life. Asian session. Yeah. I really like their hospitality, man. That kind of racist? Of course not. It's cultural impersonation. That's what it is. It's not racist. It's racist if I laughed. I didn't laugh. Did you hear me laugh? Did you hear me laugh? No, I did not laugh. I find it very nice that they speak like that. If you found it racist, it's a you problem, bro. If I said something racist, then it's a me problem. I didn't. I said it's a nice country whose people talk like this lah. It's a great country. Dude, I swear to God, I have had better Indian food in Thailand than I have ever had in India. And trust me, ever. I love food. I've eaten street food. I've eaten in medium-star restaurants. I've eaten in 5 stars. I've eaten in private chef dinings. Dude, their food is so much better for some reason. It's so much better. I don't know how. It's so good. And that brings me to a thought. How come? Even better than Delhi? Oh hell, way better than Delhi. I would rate Delhi a 6 in front of Thai. And for those who have joined just now, we're talking about food, nothing else. I would rate Delhi food a 6 and Thai food a 9 or 9.5 because I can't just rate anything 10, right? I haven't tried everywhere. I've tried food in Dubai. Dubai is decent, but the Indian food in Thailand is just too good. A view on Nifty for tomorrow. All right, my friend, just give me a minute. Ooh, fast hands. There's too much over here, man. There's a huge gap. So until this gap is filled, I don't see any positive signs for the market. If you look at the weekly chart, this is crazy. I think if I'm looking at the last up, well, there might be one more push above, and tomorrow can be quite uncertain. Tomorrow is an uncertain, depends on the opening. We can't really say anything about what's going to happen because if you look, even SPX open gap down, it open gap down is positive. And to newbies, this looks amazing, but in reality, yeah, fucked up. Hello, good sir. Hello, kind sir. What are you doing, sir? How do you do? You missed the buy, trade, and goal. It's 1:5. Happens, bro. Happens. Don't worry. There might be a decent short trade right now. Look at the trend line. finally, it's trying to go up. My God. The dancer need to gain some good experience as like you, but how? I do ready to give decade of time. That's it. You just need to give a decade of time. And you'll gain the same experience. That's all it is, bro. All of a sudden, the markets don't want to move. They want to stay here and chill, not do anything. Now let's make money. Any freelance, opening a new channel business, any bot assistance, social media manager, Telegram manager, any of the work as a chatbot assistance? Not at the moment, bro. Okay, I think I'll be dropping in a bit. If this doesn't do good to us in the next 5-10 minutes, I'll be closing this stream and going, because this is so bad. My God. Not bad for our trade, bad for my mood. I'm bored. Aren't you guys bored? Finally, this is where we'll try to book 50% of our profits. I'm saying try because if it goes, then yes, we'll book it. Oh my god. I'm hyperventilating. Back to pediatrics. Good night, guys. Good night, the Vishti boy. All the best. Come on, adjust a little bit more. Okay, I think the next candle should give us the move. Don't have the capital to trade, but still taking FOMO. Gotta relax, mate. You gotta relax. You're gonna capture like 10,000 trades. Don't worry about one. Make yourself capable. Oh my god. Why do I get bored by watching our favorite mentor? Because the market is boring. Ideally, I would just end the stream, not do anything. But right now, but right now it's like I have to tell you guys when to exit. So I'm waiting for that. And you guys see this? You guys are following the journey of this new channel from the very start. 1 year down the line, you guys will remember me. You guys will remember being a part of the start. Like, you might be thinking, why am I spending so much time just to stream for like 5, 10, 15, 20 viewers? But these are the results that compound over time. You gotta put in the work, man. When things are starting out, you have to put in the work. Put in this work. Oh yes, gym addiction. You should definitely consider any other skill, because trading is like that. You can't just have trading as your only source of income. You need to have multiple sources of income. You need to have multiple sources of income. Trading can't be the only thing. What degree or skill to pursue? Gym addiction, just do a simple Google search. High paying skills in 2024. It's just one Google search away. What's the confusion? Just pick one and start working. As simple. I believe we are not going to take a loss in this trade anymore. This is almost a short profitable trade. Depends on the closing. Tomorrow live? Yes, I'm gonna be live tomorrow. Slow down, move. Yes, gym addiction. You should be focusing on an alternative skill. You 100% should be focusing on an alternative skill. Without a doubt. Okay, boys and girls, I will be dropping. This is quite boring and slow. I don't think we'll be getting any other good trades at the moment. I'll just take your leave and I'll see you some other time. I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close. If this candle closes above, say, 2473, which I doubt it's gonna close, then I'll stay. If not, I'm gonna just close the stream and go away. Please just go quickly upstairs. If you don't, I have to take a leave. Yeah. Okay, boys, I'll see you later. If we see a negative closing below 2450, you can exit, or if it quickly removes 2424 without the closing, you can exit. Any closing below 2450 and you exit. All right, so I'm giving you 2 exits, one on a closing basis and one on an immediate urgent basis. All right, so keep that in mind. And this is your first target, 2501. Once that hits, you trail your stop loss to cost, and as soon as a low breaks and it closes below, you exit. All right, good talking to you guys. I'll see you later. Bye bye.